by day. Even as far as human rights is concerned, just last 15 days back, I was in Delhi for the human rights. I was nominated by the Central IMA. And let me tell you, there we took up two issues as far as our future youngsters are concerned. Many of us have our children who are in medicine. And these two issues that we took up was, one was the bond issue. And we have categorically told them that no to bond as far as IMA headquarters is concerned. We are not bonded labour, so our children and our youngsters will not be bonded labour as far as the government is concerned. So either they have to change their bond policy and make it so that their youngsters are encouraged to take up bond, or absolutely we do not want the bond. And let me tell you, even the Human Rights Commission was quite, whatever demands we were doing, they were convinced that they were right demands. And the second thing is the stipend issue that is there. Especially in the private medical colleges, we are finding that they are given, sometimes they are not given stipend, and even if they are given stipend, immediately that stipend is taken back, saying that hostel facilities and mess facilities, whatnot, they take it back again. So this is also what we are fighting, and IMA headquarters is fighting for single stipend in the whole state as per what stipend is given by the state government. That is what we are fighting for our youngsters. And let me tell you, both the MSN unit we have started, the JDN unit, that is the Junior Doctors Wing, these are going to be our future activists. These are going to be the strength of IMA in the future. So it is rightful that we fight for their rights so that they are attracted towards IMA. That's what's going to come up. Assault is another big problem. Just yesterday, in two places, one in Maharashtra and one, I think, somewhere in Kapathodia or something like that, assaults go on taking place off and on. We are asking for a central act which is there, because as you know, in Maharashtra, we have a state act, but all of us are aware that in the last so many years, 2010, if I'm not mistaken, that act has come into play. There has been only one conviction under that act. And there have been hundreds of assaults on our members. So we are trying to get it. There is some resistance from the National IMA saying that only doctor profession cannot be given this protection. Then the lawyers will ask, different other professionals will ask. But we are in a unique position where we are open to assaults day to day in our clinical practice. Because when a patient comes to you, remember the patient is suffering and he is coming for treatment. But what do the relatives feel? That once, in whatever condition the patient is brought to the hospital, his patient should completely get cured and walk back home, which is not possible. That is not in our hand. So this is the position that we are, and we are fighting. The National IMA is fighting to get a central act also as far as assault. It is going to take time, but it will happen someday or the other. Another thing, let me tell you that we are open to feedbacks from our general members. Many a times I have seen that some members have got some beautiful points to put forward, which can be taken up by the state IMA, which can be taken up by the national IMA. Please do not become a WhatsApp activist. It is very easy on WhatsApp to put what is IMA doing, why is IMA not doing this. Please come out with something that what should be done by all of us. Ultimately, what is IMA? IMA is every member who is sitting over here is IMA. So we are open both at national level and of course the state level also. So if you have anything to contribute towards, may it be, everyone is an expert in some branch or the other. Some people are experts in medical legal, some people are experts in nursing home issues, some people are experts in financial issues, whatever it is which helps our members. Please put it down in writing and send it by email to the state IMA or the national IMA. And let me assure you that definitely it is taken cognizance of, and we will be working on that, because ultimately the strength of IMA is in the strength of the local branches. So Santosh, it is your job to make ACLUs more and more strong, because when you make these local branches strong, we get the strength at the state level and the national level from your strength. So once again, thank you very much, all of you, sitting over here who have invited me over here today and letting me talk about some issues as far as the National IMA is concerned. And congratulations to the whole Akluj branch. Congratulations to the whole Women's Wing branch also for doing such a fantastic program. Since I came, though it was late in the night, your hospitality was superb. The venue that you have chosen is excellent, and we have enjoyed our stay since yesterday over here. So thank you very much, the whole of Akluj branch. Thank you.